Hello, 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 everybody. All right, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to find the intervals of increase, decrease, and constant. But this is part 2. So make sure you've already watched part 1. And just like I said in the first video, make sure you already have this copied down in your notes somewhere. All right, just like we did in the previous video, we're going to label our points of where they change direction as well as our arrows. And then we're going to focus on the x values to see where it increases, decreases, or where it's constant, and then find my domain of range. All right, looking at this arrow over here, since it's in the second quadrant, I'm going to label it as negative infinity, positive infinity. And then this point right here is negative 7, negative 1. And this point right here will be 2, 5. And this arrow in the first quadrant will be positive infinity, positive infinity. All right. Like I said in the previous video, always, always, always draw your roller coaster on the far left side side of your graph. Excuse me. And when you push myself Philly, as you can see, I'm going to go down. So therefore, it's going to be decreasing. And then I'm going to increase. And then guess what? Now I'm going to stay constant. So when I ask myself, where am I increasing? Well, I'm increasing from here to here. So I'm only going to focus on the x values. That'll be negative 7 to 2. And then when I ask myself, where am I decreasing? Well, I'm decreasing from here to here. So I'm only going to focus on those x values, which will be negative infinity to negative 7. And then I'll ask myself that final question, where am I constant? I'm constant from here to here. So the x value will be from 2 to infinity. To find your domain, it's going to be from your smallest x value out of all of them to your largest x value. So my smallest x value out of all of my ordered pairs is negative infinity. And my largest x value out of all of my ordered pairs is positive infinity. So my domain goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. My range will be the smallest y value, smallest y value out of all my ordered pairs, which would be negative 1, to my largest y value out of all of my ordered pairs, which would be 5. So therefore, my range, not 5. It will be from negative 1 to infinity, because infinity is definitely bigger than 5. And that's it.